Be demonstrating here the super keyword in the inheritance feature of Python program. So we have here a child class, which is a subclass of the person class, where the person class has a name attribute, and child basically extended person because aside from name, we have added the age on as a data member of child. So let's create an instance of child, initializing it with the name Caroline and the age of 21. As you can see in here, setting name attribute with Caroline, which is actually this init portion of the superclass. We've set name to Caroline, and then it calls setting name attribute with self.name. Self.name is Caroline. So now let's invoke the greet method of the child subclass. Here we expect the greet method of the parent class to be called. So this is the implementation of the greet method of the parent class. And then it will print the age of the child object itself. So let's call greet. And there you go. So super.greet is actually my name is self.name, Caroline, and then it will proceed to execute this line here. I am 21 years old. Now I have created another subclass of person which is called another class. But this time on the initialization method here, I have not provided for a super init method. Now let's see what happens. So A is equal to another child. So let's set the name to Zachary, and let's say 5 years old. And so when we call a.greet, it failed, right? It's saying here another child object has no attribute name on line 8. It's because, right, when we call super.greet, okay, it's going to be calling the greet method of the superclass. It's expecting a name attribute, but we have not set the value for the name attribute because on the init method of another child, we don't have super init. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.